Hi, my name is Don, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about 5-Seed Blend, remembering that all the information given here was taken from the official website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us via WhatsApp for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about 5-Seed Blend is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching about, because 5-Seed Blend has been the subject of several fakes. I left the link to the official 5-Seed Blend website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of 5-Seed Blend was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also, check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, 5-Seed Blend is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is 5-Seed Blend? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious oil to enhance your cooking and beauty routine? Look no further than our 5-Seed Blend oils. Our unique blend of flax, chia, pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seed oils is the perfect addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Not only is our 5-Seed Blend oil delicious and versatile, but it is also packed with health benefits. These seed oils are rich in omega-3 and 6, which can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. They are also high in antioxidants, making them a great way to boost your overall health. But the benefits don't stop there. Our 5-Seed Blend oil is also a great way to nourish and protect your skin and hair. The oils in this blend are known for their hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great choice for anyone looking to improve the appearance and health of their skin and hair. And the best part, our 5-Seed Blend oil is easy to make at home, so you can be sure you are getting the freshest and most natural oil possible. Plus, with this recipe, you can adjust the proportion of each seed oil to suit your taste. Don't settle for bland and unhealthy oils. Upgrade your cooking and beauty routine with our 5-Seed Blend oils. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. 5-Seed Blend focuses on tackling problems with poor nutrient metabolism. With 5-Seed Blend you will get the following benefits: improves bladder health, better bone health, thicker, healthier hair, clear, youthful skin, digestive support. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for 5-Seed Blend to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, 5-Seed Blend has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as sunflower, pumpkin, flax, black sesame, coriander seed oils, omega-6, omega-9, omega-3, vanillin, geranyl acetate, and many others natural elements rich in great properties 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with 5-Seed Blend, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee, there's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test 5-Seed Blend for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy 5-Seed Blend from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that 5-Seed Blend actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of 5-Seed Blend for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.